At Iron Designer, second only to our trusted employees, the most important and valuable asset is the conservation of our data integrity. The intention of this video is to inform the viewer of the risks of losing data integrity, which also includes maintaining security over your USB flash drives. At no time should an employee ever lose direct possession of the USB flash drives. At no time should an employee ever leave their USB flash drives on their desk or any such technological device that contains memory or data that is company related without direct possession of it. Just as the military or any United States governmental office would always maintain complete data security, all employees of Iron Designer are to be vigilant and aware of the data sources that are around them, and if you discover a USB flash drive in a meeting room or left behind plugged into a computer, please make sure to return this device to the Iron Designer Human Resources Department. If such data, a CD-ROM, DVD, USB or flash drive, or any other form of detachable and portable memory device should be lost or wind up in the hands of our competitors, this could pose a significant financial loss to the company and in many cases espionage, and in other cases our competitors could reverse engineer our technology. That is why it is vitally important to maintain security awareness at all times. All employees should never leave briefcases open at all times. If you have a backpack or a bag, make sure that you close the zippers and you latch all the locking components of your briefcase, your laptops and your backpacks. It only takes a few seconds for someone to slip my hand into a pocket or underneath a briefcase and take whatever they feel might be important to them, and they will review it later, but you will have lost your data immediately, and many times this data is unreproducible and it cannot be recompiled, at least not quickly, and a substantial amount of company resources have gone into this data over years of work, in some cases a decade or more, of engineers, technicians, mathematicians and computer programmers working hundreds of hours to develop proprietary data. Just as you would not want someone to have access to your personal email or your personal phone numbers, your personal contacts and your personal addresses, likewise Iron Designer wants to maintain complete data security over all of its data sources. Thank you for your attention to this matter and your cooperation, and we look forward to working with you to maintain data and maintain data security at all times, whether you are on premises or off premises, and whether you are at a customer's facility or at your own home. Thank you again for your understanding, your cooperation and your strict adherence to this request from all of us at Iron Designer. We appreciate your cooperation.